Hi guys! It's what time now? It's 4:25 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria. And in the Philippines, it's 11:25 na ng gabi. Ngayon guys, dahil malamig guys, kaya naggumawa ako ng bulalo guys. This is so much loaded bulalo. So, this is my kind of bulalo, guys. Grabe, ang laki. So, ito, guys. Yan, guys. Loaded talaga siya ng bulalo, guys. Kaya, isang kalderong bulalo tayo ngayon, guys. Kasi, sobrang malamig, guys. Masarap maghigop na sabaw. At yan ang halo ko, guys. So, botchok and repolyo, guys. Pinaghalo ko. So, eto, guys. Luto na to, guys. Kaya, i-off na natin ang off na tayo, guys. Ayun.